Hi, it's me Lil B, and today let's talk about how to choose a DJ name that you would not regret later. Well, I would say it's all about keeping it real. Let's talk more about it. The truth is that your DJ name influences how people perceive you. It affects your online visibility. It can even shape your opportunities. Now, standing out these days is very difficult, and your name is often the first impression you make. Now, your DJ or stage name should create a memorable identity that resonates with your style and personality. For example, my name, YLLB. Well, I started off at a very young age of 15 where I was highly influenced by the hip hop and the rap culture. Now we have great artists like Lil Kim, Lil Jon, Lil Flip, Lil Wayne. Hence, Lil as a prefix suited the music I was about to venture into. And my personality, Chota Packet Bada Dhamaka. And B is the initial of my real name, Bhavinisha, and the bling crazy freak that I am. It's important to accept the reality that in today's attention economy, people will make fast and superficial decisions about whether or not to give you attention. Now, your name won't be the only determining factor in this, but it can be the difference between creating that all important initial engagement or not. मतलब इसको भाव देना भी है कि नहीं? That your name will decide. The crowded digital landscape also means that people need to easily find you. If a simple Google, social media, or streaming platform search doesn't immediately retrieve you, they probably won't even try again. Now, having said that, if your real and given name has a good ring to it, go for it. It's an authentic choice that those around you already know you. It utilizes any existing leverage or reputation you already have, and it doesn't require you to do much. In case of veteran DJs, also remember that they got their break before the internet, a time when there were simply fewer DJs vying for people's attention, and so, in theory, less need for attention grabbing name. Now, conflicts of interest and mixed messages should also be looked at. For example, I was pursuing journalism alongside DJing in my initial days, and I was very sure to pick up journalism at a later stage in my life, as I always feel that DJing is a short lived career and age defined career, especially for women. As a journalist with a serious public facing job, I wouldn't be comfortable with people coming across my DJing profile and having preconceived notions about me. So, also, blurring of boundaries and roles may not be an issue for you right now, but it's best to think about any possible future complications. Many DJs opt for an alias. Now, this choice has several key benefits. First and foremost, an alias will give you creative freedom. You can choose a name that resonates with your music and personality. Now, these aliases will also help you maintain a sense of mystery and separate artists' personal life from their professional persona. It's also important to look at the downside to using an alias. The unique name you come up with could be nice to say, but it could be harder to find online if the name is too abstract, it's difficult to spell, or it doesn't rank too well in the search results. Now, does your own name draw attention or generate intrigue? If you're unsure, ask straight talking friends and family members like what they think of you using your real name, or jump onto a DJ forum or a discussion group. A part of this process could also involve DJ name generators or ChatGPT. Now, name generators are fun and a little silly, but could spark something super interesting. Now, while ChatGPT can be incredibly useful for this type of thing, there's also a risk of being overwhelmed and misguided by its suggestion. Now, few suggestions on it can also be very generic. What if you and I found the same name interesting and started our DJing careers at the same time with the same name? Now, it would be a chaos. Now, we don't want to add Roman numbers behind our names or get into a legal battle as to who registered it first, right? ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and refine a DJ name by generating creative ideas based on your style, interest, or real name, while also suggesting something that's unique and marketable at the same time. It can help you explore different languages, themes, wordplay, and offer variations or tweaks for simplicity and impact. ChatGPT can also assist you with checking the availability of your chosen name across platforms, ensuring it's unique and fits your brand. Now, let me end this by stressing upon the mantra. Find a name that gives you solid introduction, Suits Your Music Style is available on social media and music streaming platforms. Make a plan to focus on marketing yourself, delivering your max potential at your events, and above all, the hard work. Now, keeping your music game strong, consistency in your efforts, and being your authentic self will take you further by leaps and bounds. This is me, DJ Lil B. Thank you so much for watching this monologue. Looking forward to your opinions in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Ciao.